Chase, you just had a bath. You may not go in the pool. Do you get me? Are you feeling me, bud? Chase. Chase. Hey, don't go in the pool. I just give you a nice bath. Yeah, come on. I just gave you a good bath. No going. Are you listening to me? What? Hey. Hey. Why is he you? Gosh, that's a close-up view.